Great day everybody, I'm Dan again and welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another Valorant tutorial, and in today's video I would like to show you all of the Boombot lineups that you should know on map Bind. So let's go for it. Okay, first of all let's start on attacking side, and let's say we are going towards A. In case you want to go towards the showers and you want to clear all of the area and even come out from the showers and clear the bench, for this you can simply come here towards this like window, the left one, and you will line up yourself with the complete edge of the bottom of the window, and then as you can see here, this area will aim slightly to the left from the entrance like here and just throw the Boombot.
Okay.
Voila, as you can see, is clearing all of the toilets, even the bench. As you could see, they did not clear the right side of the bathrooms, but that doesn't matter because as you know that it's going towards the left and clearing all of this area, you can safely pick towards the right, and in case if anybody is there, you can easily kill him as you have covered at least the left side of these bathrooms. Okay, another Boombot I'm going to show you is again from the showers, and this time you will stand here towards this corner. And then you will aim like almost to the corner of the wall, but a little bit to the right like this, and just send the Boombot. And as you can see, this Boombot will clear all the bathrooms, even bounce up and check if anybody's standing here at the top of the bench. Okay, and one more Boombot towards the showers. So as you are staying here behind this wall, you can line up yourself this left entrance of the gate with this right wall like this. And then you will send Boombot simply towards this on the roof like here and just send the Boombot. And as you can see, it will clear out for you all of the showers and even check if anybody is standing outside the showers on the bench. Next, let's say that you are starting attacking at this side of A short. That means as soon as round starts, you can send Boombot towards this wood under the roof. That means here, just send the Boombot. And easily as you can see, it will clear all of the short. It will even clear the close left corner at the short, and you can easily and safely push towards the A. Okay, and next Boombot towards the A short for the attacking side is here. So as the round starts, there is this blue wall, and you can stand here at this part, and then you will send your Boombot towards the bottom left corner of those like papers and just send it. As you can see, it will clear as close left corner, also as it will go even behind those boxes here. Thanks what? You know that nobody's staying there, and you can easily clear the rest of the side, the lamp and everything else. In case you want to send Boombot to simply and only clear this corner, you can send the Boombot like this. So at this area of the round you again stay here, and then you will send Boombot towards this corner of this pipe and just send it. As you can see, it's coming here behind the corner, and then it's bouncing from those boxes, and in the end going straight towards the player staying in the corner. That means if anybody is staying there, the Boombot would register it and run towards him. Okay, next let's say that you are going towards the A short and you want to clear the close corner at the left at the short, or even if there is smoke, so you want to make sure that nobody is staying here at this position or close behind the box. For this you can simply come here at the top of this barrel towards the corner, and then you will send Boombox. As you can see, this small window here, so we will aim towards the left side of the window and middle of this line and just send it.
Okay.
As you can see, it's going quite close towards the wall, so if anybody standing here, he can register it, and then yeah, he's there scanning the rest of the area as well. As you can see, the movement of bot a lot depends on this slight detail that where you will drop the Boombot, but as you could see in all of the variations, it's going close to this wall, and that means if anybody would stand here, he would register it, and then it just bouncing at this area. So in the end you can get lucky, you can scan if anybody is standing here behind the box or at this area, or sometimes it's going even towards the lamps. Okay, next let's say that you are at the A short and you want to send perfect Boombot towards the lamp. For this, simply come towards the edge of this box, like this, and then you will just send your boombot. So actually the left side of this rail that you can see where the boombot will go will touch this wall here. So like this, and just send. As you can see, perfect boombot towards the lamp. Okay, next let's say that you are playing post plant. There is ice wall and bomb is planted. In case that you already know that somebody is coming out from city, that somebody can entry towards the lamp, somebody is heaven and so on, you can send this kind of boombot over this track. As you can see, you cannot just jump and send the boombot from this position because it's too high, but you can use it from this position, so you will jump and like strafe towards the track and then put the boombot at the top of the track. So in the end it looks like this. Okay, one of the most basic boombot towards the hookah at the start of the round is here. So you will stand here at the start, as there is this blue line at the beginning, and then you will aim boombot here at this top, at this third from the left dark part or whatever it is. So we will aim towards this and just send the boombot like this. As you can see, it's bouncing perfectly. At the start of the round it's going towards the hookah and it's going towards the left side. That means it will clear it for you and you can safely go and watch towards the right side if it will not register anybody at the left. Okay, another great boombot towards the hookah is here from this corner. So you will simply stay here and then you will aim towards the top of this gate and you will just send boombot here. Then you can like simply go with the boombot and clear the areas. As the boombot will go towards the left, you can easily peek if the boombot will not register that anybody stand here on the box or anywhere else. That means you can safely peek and continue with your plays. Next, let's say that you are already at the mid and you want to send perfect boombot towards the hookah. For this, simply come towards this picture on the wall and line up here. As you can see, this darker spot here, like the shadow, you will line up here and then you will simply send boombot to left side of this like rail of boombot will actually touch with the entry of the hookah like this and just send. As you can see, this boombot will clear all of the hookah backside if anybody is here, and also he's going behind the boxes. Next, let's say that you want to send boombot towards the B side, but you don't want to come close to pick it, to actually you could easily die and like throw the boombot over this wall. For this you can simply use your blast pack. That means you will send your boombot where you want, for this side, towards the city, towards this wall, or whenever you want. You will just send him and then you will just boost him with the blast pack and voila, the boombot is at the B side and you still can play safely from the hookah. So as I said, you can also use it to clear this close corner position at the right. That means you will come towards this corner, you will aim towards this darker part of the wall and like send your boombot towards this corner. And voila, if anybody is staying there, he will be destroyed by boombot, or at least you will get the info that he is staying there. Nextly, when you want to push towards the B long, you can use multiple boombots. For example, you can stay here over those cactuses as close towards the wall as you can, and then you will send your boombot here towards the right bottom corner of this stone that you can see here. So here, and just send the boombot. As you can see, it's going straight towards the long without you even had to peek it. The second boombot that you can send towards the B long is here from the second cactus. So the first one will send from here, the second one is sent from here. So we will stand above this cactus and then you will send the boombot towards the bottom right corner of this whatever it is, okay? This steel, so here bottom right, and just send. As you can see, the first boombot went more like toward the left at the long, and this one is going more towards the right at the long. The huge disadvantage of those two boombots is that they are ending at the long. Okay, next let's say that you want to check if anybody is hiding in the octagon at the B long. For this you can come here to this corner and then you can send your boombot As you can see here, this big stone at the long, so we will aim between the stone and the wall, and we will just send here the boombot. And as you can see, it will clear all positions in the octagon. That means if anybody is hiding there, you will know. When you are at the B-long and you want to check close left corner and under the hookah position, you can simply use this kind of boombot that you will stand here in this corner, and then you will send your boombot towards the top of this like light that you can see on this entrance, like here, and just send the boombot. And as you can see, it will clear the close left position, and also it will bounce and check the position under the hookah. Okay, next let's say that you are defending a side and you want to send perfect boombot towards the showers. For this, as you can see here, this part, so you will stand at the corner of this carpet, the top left corner actually, like here, and then you will send the boombot towards this part that I just showed you at the showers, and you will just send him. Voila, as you can see, it's clearing actually all of the angles in the showers and even going out from the showers and clearing in front of showers area. So yeah, perfect boombot to defend showers at the A side. In case you are boosted on those boxes close to the shower, you can use this kind of boombot that you will aim towards the left side of those boxes and just send the boombot. And thanks to this boombot you can actually clear the short position and know if anybody is pushing there or it's clear. That means if you need to focus towards your short, or you can just stay camping on those boxes. In case you want to send boombot towards the right side of the A short, you can simply jump at the top of this box, and from here you can simply send your boombot towards this eye at the A short. As you can see, it will clear all of the right side of the A short. It will even go through this gate and clear all of the area of the short. Okay, and if you want to send boombot towards the left side of A short, for this at the start of the round stay here in this corner. And then as soon as the round starts, you will aim here at the top of this yellow part on the wall and just send the boombot. As you can see, the boombot is actually clearing all short and going towards the left side to clear all of this area. That means thanks to this boombot you can easily go with it, and you with your teammate can easily clear the right side, as you know that the left side is clear thanks of your boombot. Okay, next let's say that you want to send boombot through the teleport. Of course, when you will send him straight, he will go towards the hookah. But what if we want to send him more like to the left to actually clear the mid? In this case, you can simply come here at the A side towards this box. You will line up towards this like first line at the boxes. And then as you can see here, those triangles here, so you will aim towards the bottom left line of this, so like here, and just throw the boombot. As you can see, this time it's not going towards the hookah, but it's clearing mid, going even behind the box and everything else. That means if anybody is at the mid or even hiding here at the corner, the boombot will register it and you got the info that somebody is at the mid. In case you are playing at the lamp and you know that opponents are coming towards the short, you can use this kind of boombot. You will aim here and just send it. As you can see, it will bounce from the walls and go straight towards the A short. Next, let's say that you want to send boombot towards the showers, but you don't want like white peek it and send it. You can also jump here behind this box and just send the boombot towards the showers, and as you could see, our head was visible just for like a really short period of time, and yeah, we send actually boombot towards the showers to clear it properly and to like get the info if anybody is here. Okay, next let's say that you are taking side, somebody is planting. In this case you can simply send this kind of boombot to actually clear the plant if anybody is planting, or even behind the box. So for this, simply come here towards this tire and you will crouch to actually, when you will jump, the players at the short don't see your head quite well and can't just one tap you. So you will crouch and jump, send your boombot like this. As you can see, the boombot is clearing the default position, also the box's position, or if anybody would stay somewhere around here, he would register it, so you know that nobody is here, or even he can try to kill somebody. at those positions. So yeah, quite useful boombot. Okay, in case you want to retake a side, you can use this kind of boombot that you will stay here about this line close to the wall, and then you will aim slightly left from this big white part on the wall that is holding the cables together, so like here, and just send here the boombot. And as you can see, it will go towards the default boxes, and then it will bounce towards the default plant position. Voila! If anybody is hiding there, you will know. Okay, next let's say that you are hookah player and you want to send boombot at the start of the round towards the mid. For this, simply come here towards this wall, as there is a wall at the start of the round, so we will come here and you will aim here at this part of those boxes as they are actually connecting together, and you will just send boombot like this. As you can see, it will go through all mid long, so if opponent don't want to push, they will need to hide or even destroy it to actually not be detected by the boombot. In case you are defending hookah, you can also use this lineup, so you will come here at the top of this pillow or whatever, and then as you can see here, this wall, you will aim like to this part. That means, let's say this is the all long, this half, and there are like 1/3. You will aim here and just send the boombot. As you can see, it will go down through the all mid long. You can check if anybody is hiding behind the corner. In case you are defending B side and you want to stop somebody from planting the spike, or to stop somebody actually from defusing the spike, you can send the boombot from here. So you will come towards this corner and then you will just jump, send the boombot like here. As you can see, it will bounce back, and if anybody is defusing spike here, it will run towards him and easily kill him. In case you want to stop somebody from planting at the default, you can simply come here again towards this corner, and then you will like jump, send the boombot towards this position, like towards the middle of this arrow, like here, and just send the boombot. As you can see, it's coming back straight towards the planter. And if anybody would, of course, plant spike somewhere here at the mid, so you can send boombot like this to again stop them or prevent them from planting or defusing the spike. Okay, next let's say that you are defender at the B long side. For this, as you are starting here at the start of the round, as there is this blue wall, you can send your boombot here between this stone that you can see at the long and this wall, so like here to the middle, and just send your boombot. As you can see, it will clear all the long going behind the corner towards the fountain, so if anybody is coming towards here from the T-spawn, the boombot will detect them. In case you are retaking B side, you can easily use this kind of boombot that you will stand here about this cable like this, and then you will send your boombot straight towards this gap that you can see at the entrance, and this boombot will actually clear inside the container, even those corners, and if anybody is hiding here in the corner, the boombot will detect him. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope you found here what you came here for. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the subscribe and click on bell as well to be notified every time new video is online. Or if you want to support this channel and keep it ad-free, you can join Skiller Squad, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel as special loyalty badges, access to members only community posts, and your name will appear at the end of every new video. Also, you can follow me on my socials or follow Skill Up Dimension on socials as well to know everything about new videos, what you need to know, and also you can find their short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.